Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. Today, we're going to show you how to reset your Digisol DG-WR3001NE Wi-Fi Extender. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or setting it up from scratch, resetting the extender can help. Let's dive right in. Resetting your Digisol DG-WR3001NE Wi-Fi Extender can solve issues like forgotten login details, connectivity problems, or the need for a fresh setup. It restores the device to factory defaults, clearing all custom settings and allowing you to start the configuration process from scratch. Make sure the extender is powered on by plugging it into a power outlet. Wait for the LEDs to stabilize, as this indicates the device is ready. Proper power ensures the reset process functions correctly and the extender responds as expected. First, locate the reset button on your Digisol DG-WR3001NE extender. The reset button is usually a small pinhole on the back or side of the device. You'll need a paperclip or a similar tool to press it. Now, take a paperclip and gently press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. You'll notice the LEDs on the extender blinking or turning off and on. This indicates that the reset process has started. After the reset, you'll need to set up the extender again. Connect to its default Wi-Fi network, which is usually named something like Digisol_Extender or DG-WR3001NE. Use the default password found on the label of the extender or in the manual. Open a web browser and type in the default IP address of the extender, which is usually 192.168.0.254 or 192.168.1.254. Log in using the default username and password, typically admin for both. If you face any issues or need assistance, our team of skilled professionals is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for support and guidance. Contact us at 1-323-507-3713 for prompt and reliable solutions to your queries. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Digisol DG-WR3001NE Wi-Fi Extender. Now you can set it up fresh and enjoy seamless Wi-Fi coverage. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials.